Hello everyone, this is Soham
and this is Naman
and welcome to Royal Family. Today we are doing our first train vlog. This is the Shaheen Punjab Express. We are riding from Sonipat to Beas. This is not end to end, but upcoming is Vande Bharat Express from Amritsar to Delhi, which is going to be end to end with food, and stay tuned for that.
Well, I think that you're going to 100% enjoy this one. So please watch to the end.
Okay guys, so we have left Sonipat railway station. I think we're about to reach Panipat. I'm very late at the vlogging. Yeah, the train arrived around half an hour late because of the rain and the heavy fog. You can see the fog has increased actually. The rain, it had stopped for like 5-10 minutes, now it has come back. Guys, now we have reached Ambala camp and this is a very busy station. You can see lots of people are coming from here, and there is also food in this train. It's not complimentary with the ticket, but then you can pay for it extra. And yeah, so just in case you have not brought food from your house, there is food. Oh my god. Yeah, there's food. You can buy it on inside the train. So these vendors come and they'll sell you. There's breakfast, there's chips, there's snacks, there's drinks, there's water. Okay, it's time for the seat review. We've got this seat over here, nicely soft with this headrest. You know, this folds, this lever is here to, recline it, and then you pull it again, it comes back. You've got this armrest, which rests your arm, it goes back properly. This seat over here is also very comfy, and we've got this tray table, very dirty of course, very unmaintained, poorly maintained. We've got this leg rest for resting your leg. We've got these water bottle holders, storage units, and we have got the reading lights over here. We've got charging point over here. We've got hangers over here up, as you can see. The hangers for hanging stuff. We've got this curtain for blocking the sun.
Let's get a nice
curtain.
It's a normal curtain, yeah.
And you've got this, a big window.
Very big. Nasty big.
And one more thing, you can buy books. The vendors also come with books for your entertainment. You can buy them and they aren't that overpriced also. But neither are they that cheap. Thank you. Okay guys, so we have reached Rajpura station over here. And the train is continuing its pattern of reaching 20 minutes late. This is the first station out of Haryana of our journey. This is in Punjab, and there's around like 2 hours left in our journey. So yeah, see you. Okay guys, so I wanted to show you like the speed of our train. Look at it, it's almost 130. And ignore the trip meter and the odometer, they are messed up, but yeah, the average speed and the max speed, they are accurate. Look at this, we are literally running at 130. Here's what a train running at 150 looks like as such. 130. One more thing, there is this screen over here which does not work, and there's also CCTV cameras for safety. Guys, this is our coach from the outside, 14, it's made in 2014, AC chair car. The Amritsar has disappeared, Shaheen Punjab has disappeared, but C1, that's our coach, that's in what we traveled today. Over here we are at platform number 1 in Beas station. There's lots of crowd because of the religious event being held by RSSB. And yeah, and there's a train going. Bye bye, C1.
Mommy, give me some time to win. I'm in a bathroom winning PUBG. Milk in a cup is all I need. What it till I chop, I'll takes my life. Never gonna